Welcome to Maryland, a state teeming with life and painted with a diverse palette of landscapes. From the shores of the vast Chesapeake Bay to the rugged heights of the Appalachian Mountains, Maryland offers a stunning array of natural wonders. Join us as we journey through this hidden gem of the United States, exploring its vibrant tapestry of wild places and the creatures that call them home. Here, at the heart of Maryland, lies the Chesapeake Bay, the largest estuary in the United States. This vast body of water stretches over 200 miles, touching 6 states and providing a lifeline to countless communities. Its waters, a blend of fresh and salt, cradle a rich ecosystem. The unique mix creates a dynamic environment where diverse species thrive, from the tiniest plankton to the largest fish. Blue crabs, famed for their delicate flavor, scuttle along the sandy bottom. These crabs are not just a culinary delight, but also a crucial part of the bay's food web, supporting both marine and human life. Oysters, once so plentiful they formed reefs, are slowly returning, filtering the water with each shell. These natural purifiers can filter up to 50 gallons of water a day, playing a vital role in maintaining the bay's health. The bay's shallows teem with life, a nursery for fish and a bountiful hunting ground for wading birds. These shallow waters provide a safe haven for young fish to grow and for birds to find their next meal. Ospreys, with their keen eyesight, plummet from the sky to snatch fish from the water. These majestic birds of prey are a testament to the bay's rich biodiversity and the intricate food chains that sustain it. Great blue herons stand motionless, patiently waiting to spear their prey. Their stillness and precision are a marvel to behold, showcasing the delicate balance of predator and prey in this ecosystem. Kayaks glide silently through the water, offering an intimate perspective of the bay's hidden coves and marshes. Paddlers can explore the serene beauty of these areas, often encountering wildlife up close. But the Chesapeake is a fragile ecosystem facing challenges from pollution and development. Runoff from farms, cities and industries threatens the delicate balance, impacting water quality and wildlife. Protecting this national treasure is a responsibility shared by all who benefit from its bounty. Conservation efforts, community cleanups and sustainable practices are essential to ensure the bay remains a vibrant and thriving ecosystem for future generations. As we journey westward, the land begins to rise, culminating in the forested peaks of the Appalachian Mountains. Towering trees, some centuries old, form a verdant canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight that dapples the forest floor. Deer, their white tails flashing, dart through the undergrowth, while high above a hawk circles its piercing gaze, scanning the terrain for prey. The Great Allegheny Passage beckons hikers and bikers to experience the solitude and beauty of this wild place. At Catoctin Mountain Park, waterfalls cascade over moss-covered rocks, a testament to the persistent power of water. Winter transforms the mountains into a wonderland of snow, where skiers carve graceful turns down slopes and families gather around crackling fires. Scattered throughout Maryland, like emerald jewels, are its state parks, each offering a unique glimpse into the state's natural heritage. From the rolling hills and dense forests to the serene lakes and meandering rivers, these parks are a testament to Maryland's diverse ecosystems. On the windswept shores of Assateague Island, wild horses roam free, their manes flowing in the salty breeze. These majestic creatures have become a symbol of the island's untamed beauty and resilience. Further inland, Patapsco Valley State Park entices visitors with its cascading waterfalls and tranquil hiking trails. The park's lush greenery and serene environment provide a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. At Elk Neck State Park, where the land meets the Chesapeake Bay, visitors can explore coastal forests, their branches gnarled and twisted by the wind. The park's unique landscape offers a blend of rugged beauty and serene coastal views. From the park's bluffs, one can gaze out over the vast expanse of the bay, its waters shimmering in the sunlight. The bay's tranquil waters and reflective surface create a mesmerizing view that captivates all who visit. These parks are not merely places of recreation, but vital sanctuaries for wildlife, protecting critical habitat and ensuring the survival of countless species. They serve as a refuge for many animals, offering a safe haven where they can thrive and flourish in their natural environment. Maryland's diverse landscapes provide a haven for a remarkable array of wildlife. In the early morning mist, white-tailed deer graze in meadows, their ears twitching at the slightest sound. Red foxes, their coats a fiery orange, slink through the undergrowth, their keen noses sniffing out prey. High in the forest canopy, a symphony of birdsong fills the air. The Chesapeake Bay watershed is a critical stopover point for millions of migratory birds. Protecting these creatures and the places they depend on is crucial to ensuring the health and biodiversity of the state's ecosystems. Where the land surrenders to the sea, Maryland's personality transforms once more. Ocean City beckons visitors with its sandy beaches, vibrant boardwalk, and the promise of endless summer fun. Families build sandcastles while surfers ride the waves with effortless grace. For those seeking a more tranquil escape, Sandy Point State Park offers a respite from the crowds. Here one can stroll along the beach or simply relax and watch sailboats drift across the water. These coastal areas are vital ecosystems that protect the mainland from storms and provide habitat for wildlife. Venturing into the heart of Maryland's forests is to enter a world of tranquility and wonder. The dense canopy above filters sunlight, creating a serene atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. As you walk through these ancient woods, you can almost hear the whispers of the trees telling stories of the past. Green Ridge State Forest offers endless opportunities for adventure. With its vast expanse of greenery, it beckons explorers to uncover its hidden gems. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual nature lover, there's something here for everyone. Hikers can lose themselves on its winding trails, the only sounds the crunch of leaves and the distant call of a bird. Each step taken on these paths is a step closer to nature, a chance to reconnect with the earth beneath your feet. Campers can spend their nights beneath a star-studded sky, lulled to sleep by the gentle whisper of the wind through the trees. The experience of camping here is nothing short of magical, with the night sky offering a celestial show that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. In the western reaches of the state, forested mountains rise majestically, their slopes cloaked in emerald green. These mountains stand as silent sentinels watching over the land and offering breathtaking views that are a feast for the eyes. Waterfalls cascade over rocky cliffs, their spray creating a fine mist that hangs in the air. The sound of the water crashing down is both powerful and soothing, a natural symphony that resonates with the soul. From scenic overlooks, visitors can marvel at panoramic views that stretch for miles, a tapestry of rolling hills, verdant valleys, and shimmering lakes. These vistas are a reminder of the beauty and grandeur of nature, inviting all who see them to pause and reflect. Crossing the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, one enters a world apart, a land where time seems to move at a slower pace. The eastern shore, with its flat terrain, fertile farmland, and charming small towns, offers a glimpse into a bygone era. Fields of corn sway gently in the breeze, their tassels glistening in the sunlight, while flocks of geese fly overhead. Blackwater National Wildlife Refuge is a tapestry of marshes, waterways, and forests. The eastern shore is a place to reconnect with nature, to savor the simple pleasures, and to appreciate the timeless beauty of the land. Like a silver ribbon, the Patuxent River winds its way through the heart of Maryland, connecting communities and providing a vital lifeline for wildlife. Along its banks, forests give way to marshes, creating a mosaic of habitats that support a diverse array of plants and animals. The Patuxent Research Refuge offers visitors a chance to observe nature up close. Hiking trails wind through forests and meadows, offering glimpses of deer, foxes, and a variety of bird life. Protecting its waters and the lands that drain into it is crucial to ensuring the health of the entire Chesapeake Bay ecosystem. Maryland's landscape bears the imprint of history, a legacy etched in stone and woven into the fabric of its natural beauty. At Catoctin Mountain Park, rolling hills and forested slopes provide a serene backdrop for reflection and remembrance. Antietam National Battlefield stands as a solemn reminder of the cost of freedom. The rolling fields, now peaceful and serene, once echoed with the sounds of cannon fire and the cries of soldiers. These parks offer a poignant reminder that the past is always present, shaping our understanding of the world around us. They are places to reflect, to learn, and to appreciate the sacrifices that have been made to preserve the freedoms we hold dear. Maryland, with its tapestry of natural wonders, offers something for everyone. Whether you seek adventure in the mountains, tranquility by the sea, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Maryland has a place for you.